Hello.
Let's practice English.
Have you ever tried to speak English and you said something and people looked confused?
Oh, no, yes. That feels so awkward.
You think, did I say something wrong?
And then you feel shy to speak again.
Don't worry, today we will fix that.
Yes, today we will talk about common English mistakes.
And we will show you the correct way.
Simple, easy, and useful.
So stay with us. This will help you a lot. So Mia, how are you today?
I am good, Alex. I feel relaxed.
That's nice. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept early.
Wow, that is rare.
Hey, that is not true.
Okay, maybe a little true.
What about you?
I watched videos late at night.
That's why you look sleepy.
Yes, I am a little tired.
You always say that.
Because it is always true. So today, our topic is stop making English mistakes.
Yes, many beginners make small mistakes.
And that is okay.
Yes, mistakes are part of learning.
But if we fix them,
We can speak better and feel confident.
exactly. Let's start with mistake number 1.
I am ready.
Many people say, I am agree.
Oh yes, I heard that many times.
But this is wrong.
The correct sentence is, I agree.
No am.
Just, I agree.
Very simple. Mia, do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
Perfect.
Easy correction.
Now a small story.
Okay,
One day, my friend said, I am agree with you.
what did you say?
I smiled and I said, just say, I agree.
That's helpful.
Yes, small change, big difference. Now mistake number 2.
Let's go.
People say, he go to school.
Yes, I made this mistake before.
The correct sentence is, he goes to school.
Add S.
Yes, for he, she, it, add S. Mia, can you give an example?
Yes, she likes coffee.
Good.
He plays football.
Perfect. Now a question for you.
Yes,
I can.
write it in the comments.
Now mistake number 3.
This one is common.
People say, I did a mistake.
Oh yes.
But correct sentence is, I made a mistake,
We say make a mistake.
not do. Mia, did you make a mistake today?
Yes, I made a mistake in cooking.
What happened?
I added too much salt.
Oh no,
The food was very salty.
that is a real mistake.
Here's a useful phrase. I made a mistake.
You can use it anytime.
Simple and honest.
Now mistake number 4.
Let's hear it.
People say, I am having 2 brothers.
Oh yes.
The correct sentence is, I have 2 brothers.
Not I am having, just I have.
Mia, how many friends do you have?
I have many friends.
Good answer.
What about you?
I have a few close friends.
That is nice.
If you're watching,
Yes,
write I am learning English in the comments.
we want to see you.
Don't be shy.
Simple English is okay.
Now a funny moment.
Yes.
One time I said, I am having a car.
And?
My friend laughed.
Why?
He said, just say, I have a car.
That is funny.
I learned that day. Now, mistake number 5.
This is important.
People say, she is more taller.
Oh yes.
But correct is, she is taller.
No more.
Just taller. Mia, who is taller?
You are taller.
Thank you.
Simple sentence.
Now let's do a quick practice.
Yes.
Repeat after us.
Ready?
I agree.
Again.
He goes to school.
Good.
I made a mistake.
Perfect.
I have a car.
Nice.
She is taller.
Great job.
Now let's talk about another mistake.
Okay.
People say, I didn't went.
Oh yes, that is wrong.
Correct is, I didn't go.
No went.
Just go. Mia, did you go to the park yesterday?
No, I didn't go.
Perfect.
Easy.
Now another mistake.
Let's go.
People say, open the light.
I said that before.
Correct is turn on the light,
Yes, turn on.
not open. Now a funny moment.
I like this.
One time I said, close the fan.
Oh no.
My friend laughed again.
What should you say?
Turn off the fan.
Yes.
Now let's share some tips.
Very important.
Tip 1. Listen carefully.
Tip 2. Repeat correct sentences.
Tip 3. Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Tip 4. Speak every day.
Now repeat with us.
Ready?
I didn't go.
Again.
Turn on the light.
Good.
Let's do a quick recap.
Yes.
I agree, not I am agree.
He goes, not he go.
I made a mistake, not I did a mistake.
I have, not I am having.
I didn't go, not I didn't went.
Turn on the light, not open the light.
Now here's a question.
Yes.
Which mistake did you make before?
Write in the comments.
Thank you for learning with us.
Keep practicing every day.
Don't forget to like this video.
And subscribe to our channel.
See you next time.
Bye everyone.